In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a privacy and terms policy for your Squarespace website. Having clear policies builds trust and can help you meet legal and platform requirements. So let's walk through it in a simple, structured way. First, open your Squarespace site and go to your website dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the site you want to update. From here, we'll work entirely within Squarespace's built-in tools, so everything stays organized and consistent with your design. Next, head to Pages in the left-hand menu. This is where you manage your site's navigation and all individual pages. Policies are usually placed in the footer, so they're easy to find without cluttering your main menu, but you can choose whichever section matches your site structure. Now, select the area where you want the new page to live so it's highlighted, such as your footer navigation or a secondary section. This simply tells Squarespace where to place the page you're about to create. Add a new page, and choose the blank option. Starting from a blank canvas keeps your policy straightforward and avoids unnecessary design elements. When you're prompted for the type, choose Page. You don't need a blog, product, or link item for this. A standard page is perfect for policy content. Give the page a clear name. Type Privacy Policy if you're creating your privacy page, or Terms of Service if you're setting up your terms. Use plain, descriptive titles so visitors and search engines immediately understand the page's purpose. Squarespace may show a placeholder layout preview. Click into it to open the page editor. This is just a starting point, and you'll be replacing any placeholder content with your actual policy text. Click into the content area and paste or type your policy. Keep paragraphs short and scannable. Use simple headings like Information we collect, how we use it, and Contact, and make sure it reflects how your site actually operates. If you use forms, analytics, email marketing, or third-party embeds, mention them accurately. Consider linking to your contact page for questions, and keep the tone clear and non-technical. You can repeat this same process to create your Terms of Service page. Finally, open the page's SEO settings.